She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Y'all, it's legit like a bird's nest on top of my head. It's just wild. I'm going to try to do a low ponytail without wetting my entire head. For the sake of the length, I'm trying to do it with most of my hair dry. So anywhere that will have gel and stuff like that, that will be wet. But I'm going to try to keep this part as dry as possible so I can hold on to my length and get a bigger ponytail. So that's the end game. Oh, before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe down below and then click on that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. Wow. All right, middle part, side part. Middle part, side part. It's gonna be a middle part. Is it gonna be a middle part? This is my water bottle. I'm just gonna be taking that and spraying it only on the hair that I'm trying to lay down. Okay, a trick that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this top layer. I done already messed up my part, what the heck? And fold it over and wet this part, because when you have really thick hair, sections is the whole key. Divide and conquer. And then I'm only gonna spray the parts that aren't going in the ponytail. So if you can see, I've wet this part of my hair and you see how it's already starting to lay more flat. Like, look at that. I'm gonna take the Curl Defining Styling Cream by Shun Sleek Beauty, and I'm gonna use this kind of like a leave-in to moisturize my hair. I'm gonna take my bristle brush and just try to lay it down. And then I'm gonna take my Eco Styler Gel with flaxseed oil, this bad boy. If I can open it with my slippery hands, look. And that's gonna help my hair lay down flat like how I want it to. And like I said, only putting the product before the ponytail. And I'm gonna flip it on the other side. Look at that, look at that. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did on this side, on the other side. Adding gel where I feel like I could use a little bit more. I really want to focus on trying to get it as smooth as it can possibly be. It's time to take a hairband. I usually like the ones that are looser. This is an elastic hairband and it just gives my hair more give, and it's not just like pulling on my hair for no reason. And I can wrap it around a couple times, it's not gonna hurt, none of that jazz. I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around until I feel like it's tight enough. So maybe like 3 or 4 times. So I've had this head wrap on my head for about 10-11 minutes and I'm just gonna take it down. To give it some shape, I'm just gonna be taking sections and just pulling on it a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my comb and just do a little swoop diddy swoop whoop. now that I have my hair the way I want it to look, sleek on both sides, I'm gonna tie it down again. And then I'm gonna put a hat on it. Alright, so this is my final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.